types of animal tissue. Animal tissue further classified on the basis of structure, function, and location. Now we look at animal tissues are classified further on the basis of structure, functions, and location. ठीक है? Okay. Now, firstly, epithelial tissue. Second one, connective tissue. Third one, muscular tissue. And last, nervous tissue. First of all, we will discuss about epithelial tissue. What is the meaning of epithelial tissue? How many types of epithelial tissue? Where these epithelial tissue are found in body? What is the function of epithelial tissue? What are the structure of epithelial tissue? What are the components of epithelial tissue? We will discuss one by one. Firstly, we are going through epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue. First of all, we should know what is epithelia या epithelial. I'm going to divide into two parts this term, epi and thelia. Epi means above or thelia means to grow. Now, epithelial tissues, these are the tissue which grows above the connective tissue. Typical structure of epithelial tissue I am going to draw. This is the cells which are arranged in a regular manner. You see here, and this one the nucleus. Below these epithelial tissue actually lies upon the basement membrane. Lies upon the basement membrane. Lies upon the basement membrane. Below which another tissue is present is nothing but a connective tissue. Here, in case of connective tissue, there are collagen, elastin fiber, reticular fibers. Here, matrix and blood vessels, arteries, and certain kinds of or specialized cell like macrophage, mast cell, pigmented cell, and so on. Now, right. I'm going to labeling. This one is epithelial tissue, and this one basement membrane, and this one connective tissue. Understand? I'm going to discuss in detail about basement membrane. What is basement membrane? Then a general idea or characteristics of epithelial tissue. Leave that. First of all, I'm going to discuss with you characteristics of epithelial tissue. Characteristics of epithelial tissue. First point I have already discussed. These are the tissue which grows above the connective tissue or lies upon the, or we can say lies upon the basement membrane. Characteristics of epithelial tissues. These or cells are arranged in regular manner. Repeat again. Grows upon another layer. The main function of epithelial tissue, it phases outside of the body, like environment, and inside of the body, like body fluids. It means it covers or lining outside and inside of the body. Here, student, epithelial tissue is a vascular tissue. Let me erase this one. Epithelial tissue is a vascular. No supply of blood vessels and lymphatic vessels. What is the reason behind that? Lymphatic vessels. Because the cells are compactly arranged with little intercellular space. Here, epithelial tissues is a vascular just because of cells are compactly arranged with little intercellular space, so that blood vessels, lymphatic vessels can't pierce into the epithelial tissue. How does it alive? Then the reason, the answer is there. It takes nutrition and gases like oxygen from connective tissue. Understand? I'm going to repeat again. Epithelial tissues are avascular. No blood vessels are there. No supply blood vessels and lymphatic vessels. Reason is that these cells are compactly arranged with little intercellular space. No great space is there. It takes nutrition and gases like oxygen from connective tissues. Understand? So that it can survive or it can alive. You got it? These are the characteristics. Okay. Now I'm going to in details types of epithelial tissue. Have you written? Good. Epithelial tissue is further categorized on the basis of number of layers. Number of layers. If there is a single layer or if there is a multiple layers, now these are one. If single layer, called simple epithelial tissue, or multiple layers, called compound epithelial tissue. Firstly, we will discuss about simple epithelial tissue. It represents by single layer. And further we will discuss about types of simple epithelial tissue, where these tissues are found, or what is the function, and what is the structure. Simple epithelial tissue. Firstly, I have discussed made by single layer. Further classified basis of structure of cell. First one is simple squamous epithelial tissue. Simple cuboidal epithelial tissue. Simple columnar epithelial tissue. And last, pseudo stratified epithelial tissue. You got it? Overall, what is the main function of simple epithelial tissue? I just want to write here. Function: filtration, absorption, secretion, excretion, reproduction, etc. But first of all, I will take simple squamous epithelium. Simple squamous epithelium or epithelial tissue. Simple squamous epithelial tissue. Simple squamous epithelium. These simple epithelial tissues classified on the basis of cells. So we will discuss here structure of cell or shape of the cell. Cells are flat in shape. Cells are flat in shapes. Irregular boundary. Irregular boundary. Not regular boundaries. Surface view अगर देखें तो if we look at surface view, polygonal type, or sectional view, flat. Nucleus appear as bulge. Here the structure is, are you getting this topic or not? Okay, good. Structure looks like or this one is another diagram. Here, you know what is which layer is just below the basement epithelial tissue? Basement membrane. And this one connective tissue. Squamous epithelial tissue, and this one basement membrane, and this one connective tissue. I want you to know that and discuss about little bit basement membrane. Basement membrane. It has two layers. First one basal lamina, close to the epithelial tissue, close to the epithelial tissue, and second one is reticular or fibrous lamina, fibrous lamina, close to connective tissue, connective tissue. Here further information or more information I want to write now here. This layer is a non-living. Firstly, you must know about basement membrane is a non-living layer. Second one, product of epithelial and connective tissue. So we can interpret that basal lamina made by epithelial tissue, whereas fibrous lamina or reticular lamina made by connective tissue, or these are nothing but the secretion or extracellular material. Basement membrane is nothing but a extracellular material, extracellular material. Please give me time. Extracellular material made by glycoprotein, mucopolysaccharide, saccharide, basal lamina, whereas collagen and reticular fiber, the product of fibrous lamina. You got it as of now? Okay. Now, what is the function of or where is located? What is the actual location of squamous epithelial tissue? Here, I want to discuss with you. First, my dear student, we look at the location. Squamous epithelial tissues found in Bowman's capsule. Second one, alveoli. Third, capillaries. We look at or we will discuss about Bowman capsule location, actual location, and draw the diagram, alveoli and capillaries. Function: filtration, diffusion. Here, first example, Bowman capsule. These cells or layer present inside. Bowman capsule is a double membrane structure. Here is the squamous epithelial tissue. Second one, alveoli. These are also present in alveoli. Here, look at alveoli. And what is the role? Diffusion. Here it is just close to the Bowman cap alveoli is nothing but a capillaries and help in the exchange of the gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide. Then what is the conclusion? What is the function? Diffusion. Gases exchange or takes place with the help of diffusion. These gases exchange or transfer from alveoli to blood or blood to alveoli by the process of diffusion with the help of these squamous epithelial tissue. Here it is also, I'm going to look at this structure. Here, this one is also a squamous epithelial tissue. Squamous epithelial tissue. These are the capillaries. Exchange of the nutrient gases in between tissues, blood to tissue. By diffusion. In between blood to tissue. What? Diffusion of nutrients and gases. Look at this is the actual sites of squamous epithelial tissue and the role of epithelial tissue. You got it, my dear student? If there is any doubt, just ask me. I will tell you in detail. I will repeat it. Okay, it's enough for today. Thank you.